Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this shape in Solidworks. Okay, so it is a quite unique design. So let's start how to make this. So click on file, new part. Okay, select the top plane, click on sketch, click on here, enter the value of 5, make it 50 mm long. Okay, click OK, select this line, make it vertical, click OK. After that, again draw a pentagon, escape. Uh, as you can see, it doesn't define what it length. I'm going to define it later onwards. Okay, so click on here, but this time it is a hexagon. So draw a shape of hexagon like this. Escape. Select this point and by pressing Ctrl select this point, make them coincide. Select this point and by pressing Ctrl select this point and make them coincide. Select this line and by pressing Ctrl select this line, make them equal. Select this point and select this line, make them coincide at the center. Okay, now what we have to do is by pressing Ctrl select these 2 points and make them vertical. Okay, so as you can see it is a fully defined sketch now. Now what you have to do is select this center line and draw a center line like this. Go here, draw a center line, escape, escape, and before I move forward, what you need to do is press Ctrl A, uncheck the focus structure, click on focus structure again. Now you see the whole sketch is now in construction mode, and this is basically what I want. Now select this line, right click on it, go to the sketch tools, and just in case, right click sketch tools and click on split entities. Split entities basically, as the name says, it splits things. Okay, so if I move zoom in and click on here, you can see a point shows up. So basically it means that it splits the line here. So select this line and by pressing Ctrl select this line and click on make coincident. So as you can see it splits the line. And now let's move forward. Escape by pressing Ctrl select this line and this line, make them equal. Similarly by pressing Ctrl select this line and this line, make them equal. Go to the circular section, click on here, select this point, enter the entities to be 5, entities to be patterns like this line, click OK, and here we go, and click OK. After that we have made up to 1 point. Now go to the sketch here, 3D sketch, and click on line, draw the line as I'm showing, escape. After that click on line, select this point and move this up to this point. Similarly go to here, select this point and make sure it is selected by this point. Now by pressing Ctrl select this point and make it perpendicular to each other. Now by pressing Ctrl select this and this, make them coincide. Okay, and select this point, select this line, click on make coincident. Select this point by pressing Ctrl select this point, make coincident. After that by pressing Ctrl select this line and this line, make them equal. Move this line in this direction. Go to smart dimension, enter the value of 20 mm. Similarly enter the value of 20 mm here, click OK. By pressing Ctrl A, click on file construction, click OK. Exit the sketch mode. Now go to the features, reference plane, select this point and this line, click OK. Select this plane, click on sketch. Let's move it a little bit so that we see better. Now go here, click on hexagon shape and draw the shape like this. press escape, select this point, and by pressing Ctrl select this point, make them coincide. By pressing Ctrl A, uncheck the focus section, click on focus section, click OK. Go to the line, draw the line as I'm showing. Now trim entities, trim the inner lines. Press Ctrl Z. I don't know why this pops up. Escape, select this and delete. And go first get out from entities mode and delete this. Now exit the sketch mode. Now again go to the here 3D mode, select this point and select these points and this point. Click OK, exit the sketch mode. Now what we have to do is select the sketch, right click on it and click on hide. The reason I'm hiding so that these points that I've just created, I can select it properly. And go to the surfaces. If you are not able to see surface tab, simply right click on sketch tabs and click on surfaces to see the surface tab. Okay, and go to the loft, select this point and this point, select this point and this point, click OK. Go here, right click on it and click on show. A question is why I have to need this. As you can see, currently there is no point here, so if I right click on it and click on show, hey, the point is here. It is, we have created it. Select this point and this one, click OK. Now we have reached up to this point. Just in case if there is a sketch showing on here in someone, what you need to do is click on this here and it would automatically hide everything. Okay, go to the feature, go to the surfaces, planar, select this and this line, click OK. Again go to the planar, select this and this line, click OK. Now right click on 3D sketch, click on show. You see the sketch is not showing because I have clicked on here. So again click on show all types. So let's see how to oppose this. First go to features and circular pattern. Board is to be pattern. Not this one. This one. 6. Click OK. Surfaces. Knit surface. Knit surface basically combining these surfaces to one surface. Click OK. Now go to here. Circular pattern. It is a pentagon shapes of 5 and bodies to be pattern. Select this one and this one. Click OK. So we have made it to this point. Go to surfaces, click on its surface, select this and this shapes and click OK. Go to circular pattern again, select this line, bodies to be pattern, select this one and this one. Make sure it is 2. Enter the value of 240. Let me see where I made mistake. Okay, select these surfaces instead of this one. So as you can see, they are giving correct results. Click OK. Circular pattern. Select this line. Bodies to pattern. let's make it 360 and increase the noise to 5. Yep, 5 is correct number. Click OK. uh, Go to sketch, not sketch, go to surfaces, click on its surface, press Ctrl A, click OK. After that, we are going to create a plane. So plane, select this line and this point, click OK. Features, mirror, mirror about this plane, and select the body to be mirror, click OK. So now not looking good. Go to insert features and click on move copy. So just in case, there might be chance that when you reach to move copy, you will see something like this. Just in case if you are getting something like this, move downwards and click on translate rotate. Okay, now go here and click on here and click on origin, and it is asking which bodies to you want to move or copy. So click on here, select this body, and make sure that you uncheck this and go here, enter the value 36 degree and click OK. So this is how we got this shape. Okay, so let's hide the plane. So that's for all. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask, and make sure guys that you check out my free courses and other courses, paid courses as well. Link in description. And if you guys learned something from this video, please give a like, subscribe and share so that this channel can create more beautiful content like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.